Surah Al-Hadid, Ayan. This surah is Medinan, containing 4 sections and 29 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
سبح لله ما في السماوات والأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم.
All that is in the heavens and the earth glorifies Allah, and He is the most exalted, the most wise.
له ملك السماوات والأرض يحيي ويميت وهو على كل شيء قدير.
To Him belongs the kingdom of the heavens and the earth. He gives life and causes death, and He has power over everything.
هو الأول والآخر والظاهر والباطن وهو بكل شيء عليم.
He is the first, the last, the apparent and the hidden, and He knows everything.
هو الذي خلق السماوات والأرض في 6 أيام ثم استوى على العرش يعلم ما يلج في الأرض وما يخرج منها وما ينزل من السماء وما يعرج فيها وهو معكم أينما كنتم والله بما تعملون بصير.
It is He who created the heavens and the earth in 6 days. Then He performed istawah upon the throne as befits His greatness. He knows all that enters the earth and all that comes from it, and all that descends from the sky and all that ascends therein. He is with you wherever you are, and Allah sees all that you do.
له ملك السماوات والأرض وإلى الله ترجع الأمور.
To Him belongs the kingdom of the heavens and the earth, and all matters are returned to Allah alone.
يولج الليل في النهار ويولج النهار في الليل وهو عليم بذات الصدور.
He merges the night into the day and merges the day into the night, and He knows the matters of the heart.
آمنوا بالله ورسوله وأنفقوا مما جعلكم مستخلفين فيه فالذين آمنوا منكم وأنفقوا لهم أجر كبير.
Believe in Allah and His Messenger and spend in the way of Allah from that wealth in which He has made you inheritors. As for those from you who believed and spent in His way, there is great reward for them.
وما لكم لا تؤمنون بالله والرسول يدعوكم لتؤمنوا بربكم وقد أخذ ميثاقكم إن كنتم مؤمنين.
And what is the matter with you, that you do not believe in Allah while the Messenger calls you to believe in your Lord? And Allah has already taken a pledge from you if you believe.
هو الذي ينزل على عبده آيات بينات ليخرجكم من الظلمات إلى النور وإن الله بكم لرؤوف رحيم.
It is He who reveals clear verses to His chosen one that He may bring you out of darkness towards the light. Allah is most compassionate, most merciful to you.
وما لكم ألا تنفقوا في سبيل الله ولله ميراث السماوات والأرض لا يستوي منكم من أنفق من قبل الفتح وقاتل أولئك أعظم درجة من الذين أنفقوا من بعد وقاتلوا وكلا وعد الله الحسنى والله بما تعملون خبير.
What is the matter with you, that you do not spend in the way of Allah, even though the inheritance of the heavens and the earth belongs to Allah? Those among you who spent before the victory and fought are not equal. They are greater in rank than those who spent and fought afterwards. Allah has promised them all the most beautiful reward, i.e. paradise, and Allah is aware of all that you do.
من ذا الذي يقرض الله قرضا حسنا فيضاعفه له وله أجر كريم.
Who is he that will give a good loan to Allah, so that he may multiply it for him, and there is a noble reward for him?
يوم ترى المؤمنين والمؤمنات يسعى نورهم بين أيديهم وبأيمانهم بشراكم اليوم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها ذلك هو الفوز العظيم.
The day you will see the believing men and the believing women, that their light will emanate in front of them and to their right. And it will be said, glad tidings for you this day, gardens beneath which rivers are flowing. You will reside therein forever. That is supreme success.
يوم يقول المنافقون والمنافقات للذين آمنوا انظرونا نقتبس من نوركم قيل ارجعوا وراءكم فالتمسوا نورا فضرب بينهم بسور له باب باطنه فيه الرحمة وظاهره من قبله العذاب.
The day the hypocrites, men and women, will say to the believers, look at us, that we may attain from your light. It will be said, turn back and seek a light. Then a wall will be placed between them, which will have a gate. Its interior will have mercy, and it will have punishment towards its exterior.
ينادونهم ألم نكن معكم قالوا بلى ولكنكم فتنتم أنفسكم وتربصتم وارتبتم وغرتكم الأماني حتى جاء أمر الله وغركم بالله الغرور.
They will call out to them, were we not with you? They will say, of course. However, you caused yourselves to fall into temptation, and you remained waiting for the loss of the Muslims, and you were in doubt, and false desires deceived you until the decree of Allah came to pass, and the arch deceiver Satan deceived you regarding Allah.
فاليوم لا يؤخذ منكم فدية ولا من الذين كفروا مأواكم النار هي مولاكم وبئس المصير.
So this day A ransom will not be taken from you, nor from those who disbelieved. Your abode is the fire. It is your companion, and what an evil abode it is.
ألم يأن للذين آمنوا أن تخشع قلوبهم لذكر الله وما نزل من الحق ولا يكونوا كالذين أوتوا الكتاب من قبل فطال عليهم الأمد فقست قلوبهم وكثير منهم فاسقون.
Has the time not come for those who believe that their hearts submit to the remembrance of Allah and the truth which was sent down? They should not be like those who were given the book previously. Then a prolonged term passed upon them, so their hearts became hard, and many of them are evildoers.
اعلموا أن الله يحيي الأرض بعد موتها قد بينا لكم الآيات لعلكم تعقلون.
Know that Allah gives life to the earth after its death. We have indeed made the signs clear for you that you may understand.
إن المصدقين والمصدقات وأقرضوا الله قرضا حسنا يضاعف لهم ولهم أجر كريم.
Indeed, the charitable men and the charitable women and those who gave Allah a good loan, it will be multiplied for them, and there is a noble reward for them.
والذين آمنوا بالله ورسله أولئك هم الصديقون والشهداء عند ربهم لهم أجرهم ونورهم والذين كفروا وكذبوا بآياتنا أولئك أصحاب الجحيم.
And those who believe in Allah and all His messengers, they are the exceptionally truthful and are witnesses in the court of their Lord. They have their reward and their light. And those who disbelieved and denied our verses, they are people of hell.
اعلموا أنما الحياة الدنيا لعب ولهو وزينة وتفاخر بينكم وتكاثر في الأموال والأولاد كمثل غيث أعجب الكفار نباته ثم يهيج فتراه مصفرا ثم يكون حطاما وفي الآخرة عذاب شديد ومغفرة من الله ورضوان وما الحياة الدنيا إلا متاع الغرور.
Know that the life of this world is merely play and amusement, and adornment and mutual arrogance among you, and the desire of exceeding each other with more wealth and children, like the rain whose crop pleased the farmers. Then it withers, so you see it turn yellow. Then it becomes fragments of straw, and there is severe punishment in the hereafter, and also forgiveness and divine acceptance. And the life of this world is but a provision of deceit.
سابقوا إلى مغفرة من ربكم وجنة عرضها كعرض السماء والأرض أعدت للذين آمنوا بالله ورسله ذلك فضل الله يؤتيه من يشاء والله ذو الفضل العظيم.
Surpass one another towards the forgiveness of your Lord and paradise, the width of which is like the vastness of the sky and the earth. It has been prepared for those who believe in Allah and His messengers. That is the grace of Allah. He grants it to whomsoever He wills, and Allah is the possessor of supreme grace.
ما أصاب من مصيبة في الأرض ولا في أنفسكم إلا في كتاب من قبل أن نبرأها إن ذلك على الله يسير.
No calamity strikes in the earth or in your lives except it is in a book before we bring it into existence. Indeed, this is easy for Allah.
لكي لا تأسوا على ما فاتكم ولا تفرحوا بما آتاكم والله لا يحب كل مختال فخور.
That you do not grieve for what you have lost, and you do not boast with what He has granted you. Allah does not like every arrogant, conceited individual.
الذين يبخلون ويأمرون الناس بالبخل ومن يتول فإن الله هو الغني الحميد.
Those who are miserly and urge people to be miserly, and whosoever turns away, then indeed Allah is the infinitely independent, the most praiseworthy.
لقد أرسلنا رسلنا بالبينات وأنزلنا معهم الكتاب والميزان ليقوم الناس بالقسط وأنزلنا الحديد فيه بأس شديد ومنافع للناس وليعلم الله من ينصره ورسله بالغيب إن الله قوي عزيز.
Indeed, we have sent our messengers with clear proofs, and we sent down with them the book and the scales, that people would stand with justice. And we sent down iron in which there is extreme strength and benefit for people, that Allah may see who helps the religion of Allah and helps His messengers without seeing. Certainly Allah is all-powerful, predominant.
ولقد أرسلنا نوحا وإبراهيم وجعلنا في ذريتهما النبوة والكتاب فمنهم مهتد وكثير منهم فاسقون.
Indeed, we sent Nuh and Ibrahim, and we placed within their progeny prophethood and the book, so some of them are rightly guided and many of them are transgressors.
ثم قفينا على آثارهم برسلنا وقفينا بعيسى ابن مريم وآتيناه الإنجيل وجعلنا في قلوب الذين اتبعوه رأفة ورحمة ورهبانية ابتدعوها ما كتبناها عليهم إلا ابتغاء رضوان الله فما رعوها حق رعايتها فآتينا الذين آمنوا منهم أجرهم وكثير منهم فاسقون.
Then we sent our messengers after them in their footsteps, And we sent Isa son of Maryam, and we granted him the Injil, gospel, and we placed compassion and mercy in the hearts of those who followed him. And monastic asceticism, they invented it. We did not make it incumbent upon them. However, they only invented it seeking Allah's acceptance. Then they did not observe it with the right of its observance. So we granted the believers among them their reward, and many of them are disobedient.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله وآمنوا برسوله يؤتكم كفلين من رحمته ويجعل لكم نورا يؤتكم كفلين من رحمته ويجعل لكم نورا تمشون به ويغفر لكم والله غفور رحيم.
O you who believe, fear Allah and believe in His Messenger. He will grant you two parts of His mercy, and He will create a light for you through which you will walk, and He will forgive you, and Allah is most forgiving, the most merciful.
لئلا يعلم أهل الكتاب ألا يقدرون على شيء من فضل الله وأن الفضل بيد الله يؤتيه من يشاء والله ذو الفضل العظيم.
So that the people of the book come to know that they have no power over anything from the grace of Allah, and that all grace is in the power of Allah. He grants it to whomsoever He wills, and Allah is the possessor of supreme grace.